Welcome back to Modaufy Garage. Just a quick one for you today. Have you ever had the lanyard on your fuel cap brake? What I'll be doing today is replacing it with a brand new one. This is one of the easiest jobs you could do in a car. Maybe I've said it before about other things, but all you need is a brand new lanyard, you need a flathead screwdriver, and you need some sort of trim removal tool. Now the trim removal tool is for the part that attaches to the fuel cap. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this underneath this clip and pull it out like that, just being careful. Looks actually quite fragile. That's all you need to do on that side of things. Next, you take your fuel cap out, and what you need to do is you get your screwdriver and you just slowly just lift this part up here, just underneath. There we go. It starts to move. Just slowly, so you don't want to break any clips. One more. There we go, it's off. Just be mindful when you're putting your new lanyard in, is you want it to line up with the hole up there, and you want it to be like that. So with the fuel cap in, the fuel cap's going to go in like this. I'll reach down, get this part, and then I take this, it only fits in one way to clip in, push it back in together like so. Done. That's not going anywhere. Put my fuel cap back in. Put my lanyard connected back to the car. Get the plastic clip, just be careful. Put it into the new one. And then I'm just going to bend it in and push. There we go. And that's all there is to it.